Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The liability of the existing state of Bihar in respect of pensions and other retirement benefits granted before the appointed day and drawn in any area outside the territories of the existing state shall be the liability of the state of Bihar, paying subject to adjustment to be made in accordance with paragraph 3, as if such pensions and other retirement benefits had been drawn in any treasury in the state of Bihar under paragraph 1. The liability in respect of the pensions and other retirement benefits of any officer serving immediately before the appointed day in connection with the affairs of the existing state of Bihar and retiring on or after that day shall be that of the successor state granting him the pension and other retirement benefits, but the portion of the pension and other retirement benefits attributable to the service of any such officer before the appointed day in connection with the affairs of the existing state of Bihar shall be allocated between the successor states in the population ratio and the government granting the pension and other retirement benefits shall be entitled to receive from each of the other successor states its share of this liability. Any reference in this schedule to a pension and other retirement benefits shall be constructed as including a reference to the commuted value of the pension and other retirement benefits. At this stage, it would be useful to notice the orders passed by this court which have been relied on by the learned counsel appearing for the state of Bihar. In Bharti Prasad Thakur (Supra), this court has observed that the pension of an employee retiring prior to 15/11/2000 may be given by the state of Jharkhand in case the office from which the officer retired falls in the territory of the state of Jharkhand. I find that as a proposition of law, this court has not held that if a person retires prior to the appointed date, that is 15/11/2000, from a place falling within the territory of Jharkhand, the liability of pension would be fastened to the state of Jharkhand. In the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, an order was passed by this court in Bharti Prasad Thakur (Supra), which would be binding only between the parties in the said case. Similarly, from all other cases which the learned counsel appearing for the state of Bihar has cited, I am unable to gather that this court has laid down the law that it would be the liability of the state of Jharkhand to pay the pensionary benefit of an employee who has retired prior to the appointed day from a place which now falls under the territory of the state of Jharkhand. From a bare reading of the provisions contained in paragraph numbers 2 and 5 of the Schedule 8 of the Bihar Reorganization Act 2000, it is amply clear that it is the liability of the state of Bihar to pay the retirement benefits to an employee who retired prior to the appointed day. However, a provision has been made in paragraph 3 for adjustment of liability between the two states. Stop.